Okay, so have you ever like gotten that feeling when
Uh-huh.
you're online, you're shopping for something like headphones,
Yeah.
and then all of a sudden it's like, bam,
Yeah.
like the website just knows
Uh-huh.
what you were looking for.
It's creepy, right?
That's like almost creepy, right?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
how did they know?
Yeah.
But that's
That's AI and BA
AI and BI
working together.
working together. That's really what that is.
Pretty much.
So that's what we're going to deep dive into today.
That sounds fun.
Um, we're going to look at some insights from Ira Whiteside
Oh, yeah.
and his YouTube series, AI School Bites.
I like that guy.
He uses this really interesting analogy
Oh, yeah.
of detectives to
Gosh.
describe AI and BI.
It makes a lot of sense.
So how does that work?
Well, so detectives, they use clues
Yeah.
and evidence and stuff,
Fingerprints.
and stuff to solve crimes
Right.
and make predictions about, who did it.
Yeah, find the patterns and the connection.
Yeah, exactly. And that's kind of what AI and BI do.
Oh.
But instead of a crime scene,
Oh,
it's data they're looking at.
gotcha.
So they use these formulas
Yeah.
and algorithms to analyze information, find hidden patterns,
Okay.
and make predictions.
So like instead of looking at fingerprints, they're looking at
Right.
like my online shopping habits and being like,
Yeah, like what are you
Clicked on.
interested in based on what you've looked at,
clicked on.
what other people have
Yeah,
said. Yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
It's all about using data
I got you.
to understand behavior and preferences.
Okay, that makes sense. But Ira also uses some pretty technical terms,
He does.
like functional dependency for BI
Yeah.
and principal component analysis for AI,
Uh-huh.
which honestly,
They sound a little,
Those are a little-
scary.
yeah, those are a little tough.
Uh-huh.
Can you break those down for us a little bit?
Sure.
In a way that's easy to understand.
Okay, let's start with functional dependency in BI.
Okay.
So think about it this way. Have you ever noticed, like in your own life,
Yeah.
when the weather gets warmer,
Yes.
you buy more sandals?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Sandals equals summer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's functional dependency.
Okay.
One thing directly influencing another.
Got it.
And BI can help companies
Okay.
see these relationships in massive data sets.
Okay.
Like let's say you own a clothing store.
Hmm?
BI can help you figure out, okay, when the temperature goes above 70 degrees,
Yeah.
boom, sandal sales are going to go up,
You know that.
and that's really valuable.
That's super useful.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's BI finding the direct link.
Mm-hmm.
Where does AI come in?
Okay, so AI takes it a step further
Okay.
by using these techniques like principal component analysis.
Okay.
So it's kind of like, how BI
Mhm.
tells you, okay, flour, sugar, eggs are essential ingredients for a cake.
Yeah.
AI is like, okay,
I'm going to figure out the exact proportions of
Yeah.
each of those ingredients
gotcha.
to make the perfect cake
Wow.
based on your preferences.
Okay.
You like it moist or fluffy or dense?
So it's like AI is fine-tuning the recipe for success.
Exactly.
That's really interesting.
Yeah, and you can see this all the time.
Okay.
Like, think about Netflix
Yeah.
and how it seems to know
Oh, yeah.
exactly what movies
It's scary.
you'll enjoy.
Yeah.
That's principal component analysis.
Okay.
Analyzing all these data points
Oh.
to predict what you'll like.
I never realized that so much data analysis
Right?
goes into something as simple as like choosing a movie.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
But Ira also stresses
Yeah.
that data quality is super important.
It's got to be accurate.
It does. It really does.
Yeah.
Imagine like a self-driving car
Oh, gosh.
relying on like faulty data about the speed limit.
Yeah, that could be a problem.
You can see where that would go wrong.
Right.
So that's why data quality is so important.
Okay.
Even a small error
Mm-hmm.
can throw off the whole analysis.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's where collaboration comes in
Okay.
between the data scientists and the business analysts.
Okay.
They all have to be on the same page
Right.
to make sure that the data is accurate, that they're asking the right questions.
Right. So you have all the pieces of the puzzle, but you have to know
Yeah,
how to put them together.
exactly.
Yeah.
And it's really humans who are doing that,
Right? Okay.
making those decisions based on...
Using that information to make informed decisions.
Yeah,
Okay, so after this deep dive,
yeah.
I think it's clear that AI and BI are more alike
Oh, for sure.
than they seem.
Yeah.
They're both really powerful tools
Mm-hmm.
for understanding data
Yeah,
and making these predictions.
absolutely.
Smart predictions.
And the more we rely on data,
Uh-huh.
in our lives, the more we need to understand it.
It makes you wonder,
He does.
as AI and BI keep getting even more advanced,
Yeah.
how is that going to
What's it going to look like?
shape our world?
Yeah.
And what impact is that going to have on how we live and work
Totally.
and make decisions?
It's definitely something to think about.
Yeah, it is for sure.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
It is crazy.
All right, well, thanks so much.
This was fun.
Yeah, this was really interesting.
Yeah, I love talking about this stuff.
Me too. Okay.
All right.
See ya.
Sounds good.